Ever find yourself staring at your cryptocurrency portfolio and a calendar, realizing that tax season is looming and a cold dread starts to set in? You're not alone. The world of crypto and taxes is notoriously complex, and when you combine it with popular tax software like TurboTax, it can feel like a labyrinth of forms, figures, and footnotes. A question I hear all the time is, can I report my Gemini transactions to TurboTax now? It's a simple question with a not-so-simple answer. So, let's break it all down and get you the information you need to tackle your crypto taxes with confidence. First, let's start with a foundational truth. The IRS treats cryptocurrency as property. This means every time you sell, trade, or spend crypto, it's a taxable event. The same rules that apply to stocks or real estate apply here. You have to track your cost basis, what you paid for the asset, and your proceeds, what you sold it for, to calculate your capital gains or losses. This is the core of the problem. Many crypto investors have a dizzying number of transactions across different platforms, and manually tracking all of this is a nightmare. This is where TurboTax and Gemini come into the picture. People want a seamless, automated way to get their data from one place to the other. The good news is that TurboTax does support cryptocurrency tax reporting. The not-so-good news is that its native support for exchanges is limited. While TurboTax might offer a direct import option for some of the biggest names in the game, it's often not a one-size-fits-all solution, especially for a specific exchange like Gemini. So, how do you bridge the gap? Gemini, to its credit, has been working on simplifying the process. For U.S. customers, Gemini's Tax Center is a crucial tool. It's a hub where you can find and generate statements that you'll need for tax season. For the 2025 tax year, there are some significant changes. The new Infrastructure and Investment Jobs Act has led to final regulations requiring crypto exchanges like Gemini to report sales or trades of digital assets to both customers and the IRS on new Form 1099-DA. This is a game changer. The first of these forms will be issued in early 2026 for the 2025 tax year. This means that for the first time, Gemini will be providing a comprehensive form for your capital gains and losses, which should make things significantly easier. However, even with these new forms, you still have to be careful. The Form 1099-DA will report covered assets and will use a default first-in, first-out, FIFO accounting method if you don't select another one. If you have assets that were transferred onto Gemini from another wallet or exchange, you may need to manually input the cost basis and acquisition date information for them to be properly accounted for. This is where the complexity still lives. So, back to the main question, can you report Gemini transactions to TurboTax now? The answer is yes, but it's not always as simple as clicking a button. While TurboTax's direct integrations with exchanges can be limited, you can still get the job done by using a tax report from Gemini or by leveraging a third-party crypto tax software. Let's dive into the most common methods for getting your Gemini data into TurboTax. Method 1. Manual CSV import. This is the most direct approach if a native integration isn't available. Gemini allows you to export a complete transaction history file, typically in a CSV format. You can then import this CSV file directly into TurboTax. In TurboTax, you would navigate to the section for Investments and Savings, then Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, and choose the option to enter a different way. From there, you'll select Cryptocurrency and upload it from My Computer. When prompted for the name of the service, you may have to select Other and then upload the CSV file you downloaded from Gemini. This method requires some careful checking to ensure all your data is correctly mapped and categorized, but it's a reliable way to get all your transactions into TurboTax. Method 2. Using a third-party crypto tax software. This is often the recommended path for serious crypto investors. These dedicated platforms are built specifically to handle the complexities of crypto taxes, including transactions across multiple exchanges, DeFi protocols, NFTs, and more. Services like Coinly, CoinLedger, or TokenTax can connect directly to your Gemini account via a read-only API. This automatically imports all your transactions, including buys, sells, trades, and even income from things like staking or rewards. The software then crunches all the numbers, calculates your gains and losses, and generates a comprehensive tax report. This report can then be exported in a format that TurboTax understands, like a CSV or a TXF file for the desktop version. This is the gold standard for accuracy and efficiency. It saves you from manual data entry and ensures that even the most obscure transactions are accounted for. It's important to remember that Gemini's own reporting, while improving with the new Form 1099-DA, might not be a complete picture of your entire crypto journey. If you've ever sent crypto to another wallet, used it on a different exchange, or participated in a DeFi protocol, that information won't be on your Gemini-generated report. A dedicated crypto tax software will pull all that data together, giving you a single, unified view of your entire portfolio. So, what about the Gemini Earn program or other forms of crypto income? This is a different category from capital gains and losses. Any crypto you earn through staking rewards, airdrops, or interest is considered ordinary income. For these types of earnings, Gemini has been issuing Form 1099 MISC to U.S. customers who earn over a certain threshold. This form is a standard tax document that TurboTax is designed to handle. You'll simply enter the information from your 1099 MISC into the appropriate section of TurboTax under Wages and Income and Less Common Income. The bottom line is that for the upcoming tax season and beyond, the process is getting better. With Gemini's new Form 1099-DA, the manual work for capital gains on covered assets will be significantly reduced. However, for a truly accurate and complete tax return, especially if you have a complex portfolio, a third-party crypto tax software remains the best tool for the job. So, here's the game plan. Step 1. Get your data. Access the Gemini Tax Center to download your transaction history and any Forms 1099-DA or 1099 MISC. Step 2. Decide on your method. For a simple portfolio with all transactions on Gemini, you might be able to use the CSV import. For a more complex situation with multiple wallets and platforms, use a crypto tax software to aggregate all your data. Step 3. Import into TurboTax. Follow the on-screen prompts in TurboTax to import your data, whether it's from a CSV, a tax software export, or by manually entering the information from your Form 1099-DA and 1099 MISC. The world of crypto is always changing, and so are the tax laws. Staying on top of these changes is a crucial part of being a responsible crypto investor. By understanding the tools and processes available to you, you can take the stress out of tax season and make sure you're compliant with the IRS. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.